Hello viewers, hope you are all well. Before I begin, I would advise all my viewers to check links of valuable resources related to CSCP exam in the description box of my video. Let's start with question number 1. A company manufactures riding mowers for the commercial market. It then takes on its designs and uses it for the residential market. This design crossover is known as A. Component commonality, B. Mass customization, C. Modular design, D. Universality. The correct answer is D. Universality is the term given to those products which were first designed for one market and then were sold into another market. There are many examples of this, such as kitchen appliances, pickup trucks, home tools, etc. Question number 2. Production strategy which calls for the manufacturing facility to run at full capacity some of the time and shuts down to let the inventory deplete is called A. Chase strategy, B. Level strategy, C. Hybrid strategy, D. Random strategy. The correct answer is C. A hybrid strategy runs the facility at full capacity to build inventory and then shuts down to allow demand to deplete the inventory. This strategy might be used in seasonal manufacturing such as snow shovels, lawn mowers, etc. Question number 3. Which of the following best describes the benefit of design collaboration with suppliers? A. Understanding of the manufacturing process, reducing defects and time to market. B. Reducing the manufacturing setup times. C. Improving logistics operations and delivery cycles. D. Improve the upper and lower limits of target quality. The correct answer is A. There are many benefits to collaborating with suppliers on the design. They include lower costs, new ideas in design, reduced product failures, but the fact that the supplier has a good understanding of the manufacturing capabilities reduces defects, lowering cost, and speeds the time to market, enhancing profitable revenues. Question number 4. Which of the following events create the most demand variability resulting in stockouts and unplanned logistics costs? A. Forecasting demand cycle, B. Logistics lane development, C. Promotions at the retail level, D. Sales order patterns. The correct answer is C. Promotions have the capability to create wide demand variations resulting in stockouts, unplanned logistics costs, and high inventory costs. The collaborative planning, forecasting, and replenishment model (CPFR) model provides for retail event collaboration to ensure promotions are communicated and properly planned for. Question number 5. The sum of the forecast errors regardless of the plus or minus signs divided by the number of forecasts equals to A. Forecast error, B. Mean absolute deviation, C. Total error, D. Standard deviation. The correct answer is B. Mean absolute deviation measures the deviation from the average without regard to the signs. Whether the forecast is too low or too high is not as important as the deviation from the mean. Question number 6. Which of the following forecasting methods is best for discerning trends? A. Naive, B. Moving average, C. Weighted moving average, D. Pyramid forecasting. The correct answer is C. Discerning means having or showing good judgment. Of the listed forecasting methods, weighted moving average provides some ability to discern and forecast for trends. This method provides the capability to weigh the most recent trends in the demand and use that in the forecast process. Question number 7. All of the following are examples of intrinsic forecasting methods except A. Chance, B. Seasonality, C. Government data, D. Trends. The correct answer is C. Government data would be considered an extrinsic forecasting method and not intrinsic. Question number 8. When a new product is introduced to the market, it generally requires educating the customers as to the benefits of the product. This requires first crafting A. Brochure, B. Photo shoot, C. Message, D. Ad campaign. The correct answer is C. The first step in educating the customer is to craft the message which states the benefits to the customer. From the message, the mechanism to get the message to the market can be created ad campaigns, photo shoots, brochures, etc. Question number 9. What is the real purpose of the sales and operations planning process? A. Balance detailed supply and demand. B. Improve communication among the various functions. C. Provide detailed capacity plans. D. Balance aggregate supply and demand. The correct answer is D. Ultimately, the purpose of sales and operations planning is to understand the demand and ensure there is enough supply to meet the demand. Question number 10. The time periods for which plans are made is known as the A. Planning horizon, B. Lead time, C. Time fence, D. Frozen zone. The correct answer is A. The planning horizon is the time period for which plans are made. They vary depending on the company and its needs. Question number 11. The ERP systems available today evolved from previous generations of software. One of the earlier versions of software was manufacturing resource planning software, commonly referred to as A. MRP, B. Closed loop MRP, C. MRP2, D. DRP. The correct answer is C. Manufacturing resource planning software was the first version of the software to incorporate more than just the MRP portion of the business. It included financials, provided visibility into capacity and materials defined in the operations plan, and tracked transactions that fed into the financial statements. Question number 12. The zone in which changes can be made at will within the parameters of the production plan is called A. Liquid zone, B. Slushy zone, C. Frozen zone, D. Order zone. The correct answer is A. Question number 13. When there is too much workload for the capacity of a given work center, either the load must be reduced or the capacity must be increased. Which of the following would not be a solution to an overloaded work center? A. Get more frequent deliveries of raw materials. B. Shift the workforce to the overloaded work center. C. Change the schedule. D. Change the flow of work through the work center. The correct answer is A. Having more raw materials delivered more frequently would not elevate the work center overload. Question number 14. There are several reasons to keep inventory in the supply chain. Which of the following is not a good reason to keep inventory? A. Meet future demand. B. Fluctuations in demand or supply. C. Protect against quality problems. D. Hedge against price increases. The correct answer is C. While quality issues can impact the flow of materials in a supply chain, solving the quality issues is the priority. Keeping inventory to cover the quality issues is not a good reason to have inventory. Question number 15. A company maintains a cycle counting process. They categorize their inventory classes in traditional A, B, C, and D classes. As a result, which class would be counted most frequently? A. Class A inventory, B. Class B inventory, C. Class C inventory, D. Class D inventory. The correct answer is A. A items, generally due to their value and usage, are counted more frequently than any other classes. This allows the inventory to be maintained with the least amount of effort. Viewers, if you find value in this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and pressing the bell icon. Thank you.